and you'll be taken to this page. Now, the API key, we have to purchase credits. So let's click here, click your profile, then go to billing and click on buy credits. Now here into the amount of credits that you want to buy. The minimum amount that you can enter here is $5, which will give you 2 million tokens to generate content. Then add your payment method and complete the purchase. Once you have purchased the credits, to get the API key, just go to API keys, then click create a new secret key, and you will get this box. Now just enter a name here, and again click on create secret key. As you can see, we have got the API key. Now just copy it, then go to make.com, paste it here, and it's done. Once you have added the API key, next you need to add the organization ID here. So to get it, just click here, and as you can see, we have got the organization ID. Just copy it, then go back to this tab and paste it here. Once done, click, then click A, and it's complete setting up the ChatGPT module. We have to connect our OpenAI account to the other ChatGPT module. To do that, just click on it, then click here, OK connection, OK, and it's in the same way you can connect your OpenAI account to other chat module. Okay, so now we have completed setting up the ChatGPT module. Finally, we will set up the WordPress module. This is where we will connect our WordPress website to automation. If you don't have a website, then you can create one watching this video. While setting up your site, if you're looking for a reliable hosting provider, then you can try WebSpaceKit, our own hosting platform. And with WebSpaceKit, you will get a free domain and access to thousands of free themes and plugins. So you can create a professional looking site in no time. Plus, if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll have an exclusive 10% discount. So go ahead and create a WordPress website on WebSpaceKit. Once you have created your website, it's time to connect it to the module connection. And here you enter your go to your website, then copy the URL, go back and paste it here. Now the provided text from and set right next to the website's URL. This makes a secure website. If added your web URL, next you need to add the API key. To get the API, you need to install a plugin in your WordPress. To do that, just go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to plugins, click add new plugin. Now here search for a plugin called Make Connect. This plugin. This is the plugin which will help us connect our WordPress website to the automation. Now to install the plugin, install and click activate. Once you have installed the plugin, to get the API key, click on Make Plugin. And here you can see we've got the API key. So just copy it. Then go back to this tab and paste it here. Now click Save. Then click OK. And it's done. We have connected our WordPress website to the module. Now for the other WordPress module, you just need to choose your WordPress account and it will be set up. To do that, just click on the module, then click here and select My WordPress Connection. Then scroll down and here you'll see the status field. Just click on this drop down and you'll see different options to set up the status of the blog post once it is created. You can choose whether the blog post should be automatically published on your website or saved as drafts. Saving the blogs as drafts allows you to check it and make edits before publishing. So I recommend that you choose draft. Once you're done, click OK. And that's it. The WordPress module is fully set up. Okay, so now we have successfully completed setting up all the modules. Now to save this automation, just click Save. And the automation will be saved. Once we have saved the automation, test and see how it works. To test the automation, first let's take an article. I'm going to use this one about nature. So I'm going to copy the link and paste it into the Google Sheet like this. Now to run the automation, let's go to make.com, and click run. Once the process is completed, the blog post will be saved as a draft on our WordPress website. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Then go to post and post. You'll see the newly created blog post saved as a draft. So if you click preview, you can see that the blog post from the article which we provided. It has an attractive image, subheadings, and with crisp and well-written content. Amazing, right? If you want to make any changes, just click edit post. And here you can edit the title, the image, and the text that you want. Once you're done, just click publish. And your post will be live on your website. Now if you go to your site and click refresh, you can see that our blog post is now live. And if we click on it, this is how it looks like. So there you go. You have successful blog post on your website. And also, you can repeat this process with any article to generate the blog post. And your post will be live on your website. It's a great way to stay consistent. Now if you go to your site and click refresh, triggering a new blog post, you can see that our blog post is now live. And if we click on it, repeat the process for each post. This is how it looks like. There's an even better way. So there you go. You have successful blog post on your website, and also you can repeat this process with any article to generate the blog post. And your post will be live on your website. It's a great way to stay consistent. Now if you go to your site and click refresh, the blog post triggering a new blog post, you can see that our blog post is now live. And if we click on it, repeat the process for each post. This is how it looks like. Even better. Once you've done that, you have successful blog post on your website, and also you can repeat this process with any article to generate the blog post. And your post will be live on your website. It's a great way to stay consistent. Now if you go to your site and click refresh, the blog post triggering a new blog post, you can see that our blog post is now live. And if we click on it, repeat the process for each post. This is how it looks like. Even better. Once you've done that, you have successful blog post on your website, and also you can repeat this process with any article to generate a blog post. And your post will be live on your website. It's a great way to stay consistent. Now if you go to your site and click refresh, the blog post triggering a new blog post, you can see that our blog post is now live. And if we click on it, repeat the process for. You can choose how often you want the automation to run. I will leave it as blog post on your website, and also set the interval for each blog post. You can repeat this process with any article to generate a blog post, and your post will be live on your website. It's a great way to stay consistent.